potatoes,
potatoes,
tomatoes,
tomatoes,
ginger,
ginger,
chilies,
chilies,
bag,
bag,
biscuits,
biscuits,
packet.
packet.
Now I am going to read aloud a paragraph from your book. Look at it carefully. It has some pictures and numbers. I will read the words and stop at the pictures and numbers. You have to say the words for them at the right time. This is how we will read together. Ready? पुढील चित्रमय उतारा मी वाचत आहे. चित्र व अंकाच्या वेळी मी थांबेन. त्यावेळी तुम्ही लगेच चित्राऐवजी व अंकाऐवजी शब्द सांगायचे आहे. अशा प्रकारे आपण एकत्र या चित्रमय उतार्याचे वाचन करूया. तयार? मुन्नूज मदर टोल्ड हर टू गो टू द मार्केट. आय नीड हाफ अ किलो ईच ऑफ
Potatoes,
and
tomatoes, 3
lemons, a piece of
ginger,
and some.
chilies,
Take this
bag,
and this
100,
rupee note. Be careful and come back before 5. Munnu brought the
potatoes, tomatoes, 4
lemons and some.
chilies,
I did not get any.
ginger,
Munnu said, never mind, said her mother. Munnu's uncle gave her a packet of.
biscuits,
Munnu
cut
the packet open. There were
12
biscuits in the.
in the packet,
Munnu gave
2,
of them to her uncle,
1,
to her mother and
1
to her father. She ate
biscuits,
herself. Then she gave her
cat,
and her
dog,
1 biscuit each. Then how many biscuits were left?
4 biscuits.
Read aloud the given paragraph alone. हा उतारा एकट्याने वाचा. Write the given paragraph using words instead of pictures. हा उतारा चित्राऐवजी शब्द वापरून लिहा.